Activity, bands, first, when everybody has played, the march will add it up, and converted to points, results emerge. The winners were the Ennis Céilí Band.
I think, yes, here we go. Hello, how are you? I feel a little like Daniel O'Donnell now with a hand in the mic like this. We're going to start off with the march just to keep the old competition tradition. And it's a march we played last year. It was written by a great Sligo flute player called Michael Hurley. And he never named it because he didn't like it. He discarded it, but we found it and he dug it up again. And he likes it again now anyway. So we call it Michael Hurley's march. We're going to continue now with two reels, which we played last year as well. This was the freshest in our minds. They're two great old tunes. The second one is actually a tune we would have learned from the playing of the Kilfenora Céilí Band. So hopefully they're not going to play it tonight. The first one is the Duke of Leinster, and the second one is the Merry Blacksmith.